So Xiaomi has already begun working on the Xiaomi 15 series, and the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is going to be the first phone in the world to have some new features. However, there has also been an issue with the 15 Ultra model. The Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Pro will be released in just over 3 months. Additionally, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is also in development as revealed by concrete clues indicating a total of 3 international models, including one specially designed for Europe. Yes, the Chinese are apparently already working on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, which will not be officially unveiled until 2025. If the schedule from last year remains the same, it may be ready as early as February 2025 as confirmed by the first model number discovered in IMEI database. Accordingly, 3 Xiaomi 15 Ultra models are currently in development, one for China, one for Indian market and one global model that is expected in Europe. In 2024, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra was launched at the Mobile World Congress at the end of February together with the global Xiaomi 14. This is also the most likely plan for next year, with the difference being that the MWC 2025 will start little later on March 3, 2025. This may mean that the European Xiaomi fans will have to wait more than 6 months for that global Xiaomi 15. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is likely to remain China only, but the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will definitely come out to Europe in 2025. Moving on, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will also feature a big camera upgrade that we have never seen before in a phone. Xiaomi brought 1-inch camera sensor to the mainstream market with the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, while the 14 Ultra failed to make any significant jumps into the main camera sensor. Now the new information indicates that the 15 Ultra is set to take a step forward in that department. According to reports, Xiaomi is planning to outfit the Xiaomi 15 Ultra with a main camera that's even bigger than the 1-inch sensor found on the Xiaomi 13 Ultra and 14 Ultra. If this leaked information turns out to be accurate, the 15 Ultra would officially claim the title of the smartphone with the largest camera sensor to date. According to DCS, Xiaomi is planning to enhance not only main camera but also the zoom capabilities of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. The phone will still feature a quad camera setup including the main camera, 2 telephoto lens and an ultra-wide snapper. Reportedly, the periscope lens has also been improved to provide better performance in the zoom range of 10x to 30x. Seems like Xiaomi is really taking their flagship phone game seriously this time. The 15 Ultra is definitely going head to head with the S25 Ultra in every aspect. So let me know what do you think of this Xiaomi 15 Ultra in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.